Chicken 65. Take a bowl, add 250 gram of boneless chicken pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of curd. Add salt to taste. Squeeze half lemon. Mix well. Close the lid. Allow to marinate for about 1 hour. Heat a pan. Add half inch of cinnamon bark. Add small piece of turmeric root. Add 5 black pepper. Fry till fragrant. Add 4 dry red chilli. Warm it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a pinch of fennel seeds. Fry till fragrant. Switch off the flame. Allow it to cool. Now take a jar. Add fried substances. Grind it to make a fine powder. Keep aside. Now open the lid of marinated chicken. Add ground masala powder. Mix well. Now add an egg white. Add some finely chopped curry leaves. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix well again. Keep aside. Now heat a deep pan. Add sufficient amount of refined oil for deep fry. Gently drop the masala coated chicken pieces to hot oil. Fry till golden brown. Transfer it to a plate. A tasty chicken 65 is ready to serve as a side dish for a meal. For more variety videos, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website www.rightclickcreations.com. Thank you.